Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Xy equals to cube root of 32, x divided by y equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3. In the system of equations, which of the following could be the value of y? Okay, in the given system, we have to solve for y. Okay, now let me take the first equation as it is. It is x times y equals to cube root of 32. And I name this equation as equation number 1. Now let me take the second equation, that is x over y equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3. X over y equals to, we know that 1 over 2 equals to 0.5, so we can write 0.5 for 1 over 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3. X over y equals to, here this exponent 1 over 3 can be written as a radical with the index 3. Then we get cube root of 0.5 on the right side. Now let me name this equation as 2. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to divide the first equation by this second equation. Okay, let me do it. 1 divided by 2. So whenever I divide two equations, I have to divide the stuff on the left side and divide the stuff on the right side. So in the first equation, we have the stuff x times y on the left side. It has to be divided by the stuff on the left side in the second equation, that is x divided by y. In the first equation, the stuff we have on the right side is cube root of 32. And it has to be divided by the stuff on the right side in the second equation, that is cube root of 0.5. Okay, here we can write the numerator over here xy as it is, and we can change the division over here as multiplication. When I change this division as multiplication, I have to get reciprocal for this x over y. Then I have to flip the numerator and denominator. Then I'm getting y over x. Okay, here we divide two cube roots. Whenever we divide two radicals with the same index, what we can do is we can write the radical in common. That is, we can write cube root in common. Then we have to divide the values inside the radical, that is 32 divided by 0.5. Okay, here in this one, this x will cancel out. Y times y is y square equals to cube root of, when I divide 32 by 0.5, I am getting 64. Okay, y square equals to cube root of, this 64 can be written as 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64. Okay, in cube root, for every three same numbers multiplied inside the cube root, one number can be taken out of the cube root. Okay, here in this cube root, 4 is multiplied by itself for 3 times. So for these 3 4s, 1 4 can be taken out of the cube root. Now, to solve for y, we have to get rid of the exponent 2 over here. For that, we have to take square root on both sides of an equation. Okay, let me do it over here. That is y square equals to 4. Now, let me take square root on both sides of this equation to get rid of the exponent 2. So, on the left side, the square root and square root cancel out. Whenever we take square root on both sides of an equation, for the square root we have over here, we have to consider positive or negative sign. Okay, here on the left side we have y positive or negative. The square root of 4 is 2. We get two values for y. One is y equals to 2 and the other one is y equals to negative 2. And here in these two values of y, we find the first value 2 in answer choice C over here. The correct answer choice for this question is C.